Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a brake light, reverse light, or rear turn signal light for the rear of this 2008 BMW 328i. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps out a lot. I also have affiliate links in the description if you need to get bulbs there on Amazon. So we're going to come to our trunk. On the passenger side, you simply twist this, lift this out of the way, and then you can access your bulbs right here. The way that you get all of these out is you push this tab in right here, and then you wiggle this out like that. Oops. There we go. And then you can replace any one of those 4 bulbs right there. To get one of these bulbs out, all you need to do is push down and twist counterclockwise, just like that. It's just got these little lobes down there. To reinstall it, just stick it back in. There's a slot right there that little nub slides into. You just push down and twist, and then it'll pop back up in its spot. They are all the same type of bulb. Again, I'll have them linked down in the description below where you can get them. To put it back in, you simply just put it back in the spot right there and then push it in. It should kind of click like that. On the driver's side, there is this cover right here. Stick something in here that you can pry with. Kind of pull it out from the wheel well here, like that. And then it comes out the same way. Push on this tab, pull them out right there like that. Push it back in, snaps in. This cover, basically just push it back into the slot like that. And then push it back in like that. That's really all there is to changing those bulbs. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.